Okay, is James possible? Oh man, rough night. Been a rough week actually for trading for me. So, and you're going to have those moments when you're trading. It's not fun, but it's just part of it. Okay, so what I wanted to do was change it up a little bit. I mean, this is still part of the my journey, and I've always had this desire to write a book. I actually have sat down and tried several times, and the whole process it just mushrooms and gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until eventually I can't do it. I stop, and I guess just so many ideas and thoughts, and maybe even a lack of clarity, right? Well, I've started a book, and it's about trading, and I just thought I would share some of it, and probably more. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to complete it, but I have quite a bit of it completed, and I'm not even sure what the title is going to be, but it really is about my journey as a trader, and the whole premise of the book is that to wait until I achieve, to wait until, I'm generating the $10,000 a month income, which I would say is a reasonable target. To wait until that happens would be to forget the journey that actually took place to get me there. And I think there's value in the journey in the beginning. And I don't know that the experts, the gurus, the books we read, yes, there's a lot of wisdom there. I just don't know that it's easy to go backwards to explain what you are actually feeling. And even maybe even to more to the point, even to say that this was the one thing in this moment that actually changed my trading. And then this was the next thing that actually changed my trading. I think it's really difficult looking backwards to share those thoughts. And so I wanted to write this book as I'm in the middle of the joy, the I don't want to say devastation, but the joy, the struggle, the moments of yes, and the moments of, oh my gosh, what was I thinking, right? And those moments where it's just painful. And to be clear, no matter how tough it gets, no matter the mistakes I make, I recognize as a trader, just as a person, even in my everyday life, that it's my choices, my actions that lead me to the place where I am now. So, if you can begin to think like that, I think that can change. I really feel like that can change a lot of things for you. You stop looking some other places for answers. You stop pointing the finger and saying, well, because of this happened. I'm here struggling because of this. And instead you say, well, because I chose to do this, rather than this or that, I'm now where I am. And either I'm in a profitable position, or I'm in a position that a drawdown, a negative float or a drawdown. And it all starts with my choice and my actions. And so a chart can move against me, right? The price can move against me, can move against you. The reality is, though, at every progression of the move, I have a choice to stay in the trade or to exit the trade, just like you do. And if you choose to stay in the trade and it keeps pushing against you, it's not going to help you blaming the market. Market's going to do what it does. The powers, those with the influence, the money, that can actually move the market in different directions, they have their priorities. They're going to make decisions that will impact you as a retail trader, as a smaller trader. There's no way that you trading, even a $100,000 account, are going to have much say in what happens when somebody who's trading, $1 billion account. I mean, you're going to be influenced by them, not them being influenced by you. And yeah, so I think that's a really important thing. This is a good place to stop right here, because I think that thought right there is really important. So I'll pick up in the next video about the book and leave this one right here. Okay, so thank you for joining me, for being here with me in this video. This is James Possible, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.